At Buffalo Billiards in Kitati, we like to think we're selling more than a game room. Our billiard tables and game room furniture put the family in the family room. With New Brunswick and Olhausen pool tables, beautiful hardwood bars and bar stools, dining and game tables, perfect for entertaining. Foosball games and more. The best selection is at Buffalo Billiards. Shop our new showroom or find us online. If you're looking for family entertainment that will bring the family home, look to Buffalo Billiards in Kitati, where we put the family in the family room. The biggest pool table and game room sale in Northern California is at Buffalo Billiards in Kitati, Highway 101 and 116. Olhausen Pool Tables has authorized a once-only 3-day manufacturer's pool table sale with the absolute best price on every pool table. And the savings includes Buffalo Billiards' entire selection of game room furniture, game tables, lighting, foosball, bars, bar stools, spectator chairs, darts, and boards. Everything is priced to sell at the 3-day only Olhausen manufacturer's pool table sale at Buffalo Billiards in Kitati, Highway 101 and 116.